You can hear me?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay, good. Okay, so last time we discussed up to chapter number 4. Now we are going to discuss chapter number 5. Okay, so chapter number 5 is about priority queue and heap. Okay, first is the priority queue. Queue already you study. In the queue, what we study? We study about the first in, first out process. Okay, but in the priority, there is something different. What is different here? We give some priority to some process. Okay, we give some priority to some process. So what you should remember here, this yellow you see every time, see the first in, first out, which I tell you. This is the queue. Priority queue, this is a collection of prioritized element that allows arbitrary element insertion and allows the removal of the element that has first priority. Means suppose there, for example, if there is some people in the counter and we give some priority from the queue, the rule is that the first in, first out, this should be first. But what I do here, I change the priority. Now this will be first and this will be third and this will be second. So first this will be operate, then this one, and then the third one. Okay, so this is a priority queue. So if in the exam comes, you need to write this definition. Okay, then comes the method of the priority queue. What are the method? There are some method like insertion, minimum, remove, size, empty. Okay, I will show you what is the here. So sometime in the exam, maybe they will ask that they will make this table, this one, and they will make this blank, this one and this one blank. So you have to full. First is the insertion. Okay, so I need to erase this so you can see properly. Okay, first is the insertion method. Insert 5A. Okay, insert 5A. Insert 9C. Okay, insert 3B. So 3B, 5B, 9C. Minimum, what is minimum here? So 3, 5, 9. What is minimum? 3. So minimum is 3B. Remove minimum. What is minimum here? 3B, 5A, 9C. 3B minimum. So this is remove. Next, insert 7D. Now 7D has 5A, 7D, 9C because 3B is remove here. Now remove minimum again. 5, 7, 9. 5 is minimum. So 5 is removed. Again remove minimum. Now 7 and 9. 7 is minimum. 7D will be removed. Again minimum, 9C is removed. Again remove minimum, maafi any number, so this is null. Is empty hadafadi? Yes, no element here. So if the table comes, you make like this. Okay, any sawal, any problem here, Kalam? Okay, this is no problem. If suppose this is given in the exam, you should do. Okay, easy, this is easy. Yeah, this is easy. Okay, good. Okay, the next one is the heap data structure. Okay, what is the property of heap? Heap says that heap is a in which the root node should be equal or greater to the children. Like this is 20. So this may be 19, this may be 21. This is called minimum heap. Hada minimum heap. So in your class, I think it is taken minimum heap every time. Okay. Or there is one more heap where the root should be sagir than the children. This is called, sorry, this is what I did here. Minimum, sorry, this should be 22. Lazim sagir root, okay? And here I make root kabir. So I should make 20 and this make as a 11 and this make as a 10. Okay, 20, 11 and 10. If you not understand what I'm saying. So this is kabir. So this is called maximum heap, where the root node is kabir than the, and let's see what is heap order property. In a heap T, every position T on the root P is greater than or equal to the key stored in the parent. So this is a maximum heap. Okay. Okay. One more very important concept in the maximum heap: the tree should be complete. Complete means the node should be in the left side. Lazim in the left side. If not left side, you cannot make other tree heap. Okay, you cannot make tree. So lazim, the last, what is the complete tree definition? I give in the definition the tree. The last node should be, if not full lazim, it should be in the SR. Hada complete, no problem. This is also complete, no problem. This is not complete. Why? Because left is missing, hada missing. So this is not complete. So lazim, to make any tree heap, the tree should be a complete binary tree. Okay. Then there is a tariqa how to make a heap. Okay, like for example is a heap storing 13 entries in the keys. The last position is 13W. Here, why we put here? Suppose here was no element. So if you add any node, you will add here. Why? Because if you not here add, this will not be a complete binary tree, and if it is not a complete binary tree, you cannot make this heap also. So lazim, you will add here 13W. Okay, 13W. Then next one, a heap T stores height should be log n. If any heap is there, the height will be log n. Remember this. Adding an entry to heap. Kya tarika anta add any number in the heap. Okay. How can you add the heap? And then we'll apply the up heap bubbling after insertion. Kya tarika we make this heap. I will read this one. Okay. You can see this example. See, this is the example. So what we do, first we start one element 2t. Where we will add here? Here in the left side here. You can see here it is added 2t. Okay, we add 2t here. Now, and we have to make this as a minimum heap. Minimum heap means lazim root should be sagir and children should be kabir. Sorry, root should be sagir and children should be kabir. But hina hada sagir. So lazim 2 to row hina 20 come down. You can see here. 2t hina 20b hina. Okay, now this is it. Now let's check this one. 6z 7q. This is also sagir. Lazim 2 hina 6z tahat. Sure. 2t hina 6z tahat. Hada sagir no problem. Hada sagir no problem. Okay, now come here. This is sagir no problem. Hada sagir no problem. Hada 5a 9a hada sagir no problem. 4c 5a 2 key. This is also no problem. So we can say this is a 2t 5a 4c. Okay, this is kabir 4 2. 2 will come here and 4 will come down. Now see, this is a heap. Hada heap. So any complete tree is given, you can make the tree heap. This is called, one is called the down up heap also. There we just delete the element. Just read this one element. I will give example. I will take the example of this. You can see this one. What we are doing here, we are removing the root node. So if 13W is removed, we will put the last node here, Alatul. You can see it is here put in 11 here. Okay. Now what we do after that, we just start again doing a top down approach. Here is 5a, here is 13, here is 6z. So we'll start from the top down approach. We will take the minimum one by one step. You can see from up to down we are going to do this one, and then we will find our. Now kaf tariqa. Before that I will explain you. Wait, let me share the link. I think in the lab also, in the assignment, sorry, I given this one question here. I will show you how we can do that. If you remember this, I explained you yesterday. Okay, so I'm taking like a question here for the heap. Question. Make the following complete binary tree to a heap. Heap say you take the minimum, okay, no problem. If they say minimum, no problem. If say maximum, then it is maximum. If not say, you take minimum, no problem. 20, 10, 5, 30, 40, 3, 7, and here is 15 will work here. Suppose this is a complete, other complete binary tree. Other complete binary tree. This is complete binary tree. Complete wala maafi. Okay, let me check your answer. Okay, good. This is a complete binary tree. So what I tell you, if you remember, in the start from 1, 2, 3. Start from SR to mean 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I equals to n by 2 down to 1. Down to 1 means nuggies. N by 2. N means total number of elements. 8. 8 by 2 down to 1 means 4 down to 1 means 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 down to 1 means what? 4, 3, 2, 1. Where here 4. Check this one. Hada heap wala maafi. 30 and 15 heap wala maafi. Heap wala maafi. Hada heap. Hada 30 hada root. Hada 15 hada parent. Sorry, children. Lazim hada sagir. So what you do? Make hada 15 and make this 30. Okay. So now you see the 4 is, this is now heap, no problem. After 4, what we have to take? 3. Where is 3? Here. Okay. 3 here. Check this one. 5, 3, 7. Wallahi mushkil aada. Because 3 should be here and 5 should be here. So what I do here? 3 hina and 5 hina. Okay. Now this is a heap. Minimum heap. Khalas. 3 also. Come 2. Where is 2? 10, 15, 14. Sah. Maafi mushkil aada. Okay. Because this is Sagir already. No problem. Khalas 2. Come 1. 20, 10, 3. Which is Sagir hina? 3. So 20 will come down and 3 will go up. So remove this one. Other 20. Now when you make 20, this other disturbed. So what I took? 5 hina, 20 hina. Tola faham. Other heap. Other minimum heap. Check. Heap wala maafi. Faham hai tolab? No problem. Start from akhir and go up. Use this method. Okay. One more sawal like this now. Tani sawal. Insert the following numbers and make a heap. This type of question I give in the assignment also, I remember. 20, 10, 30, 40, 15, 10, and for example 5. Okay, suppose this is. So what you do? First node is 20. So make 20. 20 you make first node. Now this is a heap, no problem. Only one node is this. This is a heap, no problem. Next. 20. Now next is SR. Why SR? Because we have to make a complete binary tree. Lazim SR. When I make 10 here, hada mushkila, because this should be Sagir. So what I do? 10 will be go fork and 20 will come down. Now this is it. No problem. Okay. Next. Talatin. Lazim yamin. Okay. Why? Because we have to make a complete binary tree. No problem. This is also heap. Okay. 30 class. 40. Where should be 40? Kalam. Anybody? Where should I to take 40 now? Kalam. Where I should take Arba'in? SR wala yamin? Ashrin SR wala Ashrin yamin? Right wala left? Right. What about other? We should take the left, because if you make right, this will not a complete binary tree. So lazim you take left. Okay, lazim left. When you take left, this is complete, no problem. Then 15 yamin. Now when you take 15 hina mushkila, because hada 20 kabir. So lazim 15 hina 20 hina. Okay. Next, ashara lazimi isar. Again mushkila, because this is 30. So ashara will come here and 30 will come here. Next, khamsa. Khamsa hina. Again mushkila, khamsa should come here, ashara come down. Now this is a complete binary tree. Walla mafi complete. Again, what is problem here? Because this is disturbed here. So 10 will come here and 5 will go up. 5 hina. Now this is a complete binary tree. Sorry, heap. Ya tola faham? Kalam. Check. Okay, this is easy. This was easy, we can say. Okay, let's move. So we finished the priority queue and heap. Now next chapter is important. That is a graph chapter. Graph is important, you know. Yeah, you should write all the steps. Mafi alatul answer like this. Okay, not like me. Delete and uktub. And uktub one by one step. Okay, you uktub one by one step. Okay. See, graph is a big chapter and important also. Walla, you study graph, hashing, lazim. And see, some student ask about the question paper, because this course was updated before itnen sana bas. Itnen sana anta malum hada corona. Mafi any iktabar. You know, there was only online exam, no offline exam for this course. So there is no paper mojud. I checked with other people also, mafi mojud ada paper any. Because they take exam online, no offline exam. This is first time offline exam is this. Okay, chapter number 7, graph. Graph is a non-linear data structure. Again, I repeat it. Graph is non-linear data structure. No, your offline walla awwal ana kalam anta sam tulab se walla daktur offline fi iktabar question paper fi mawjud qadim ما في موجود في اول اختبار كله اونلاين ما في اوفلاين دحين هذا اوفلاين اكزام اول مره فاهم انت دحين هذا خوارزميات واحد اختبار هذا اوفلاين. Okay, graph is a non-linear data structure, as we know. So this is the definition of the graph. If comes the definition, you write the graph is a, if see माफी लाजिम फहम same वल्ला माफी फहम मा मुश्किल अंत फहम what in the you अंत फहम understand अंत उक्तुब. Graph is a collection of node. هذا कलाम node, هذا कलाम edge. Graph is a collection of node and edges. Okay, remember like this. Now there are two type of graph. Directed graph في طريق موجود, هذا طريق موجود, هذا كلام directed. ما في طريق, هذا كلام undirected. If I make like this, هذا كلام undirected graph. ما في طريق. If I put some weight here, 20, 30, anything, then this is called weighted graph. في वजन. Okay, you can see here. Okay, just yellow लाजिम अंत study कुल्लो yellow. See, कैफ तरीका هذا represent graph. कैफ तरीका अंत उक्तुब graph. We graph node A, B, C, D, uktub A, B, C, D, and E, F, the other end. Okay, and edge also like this one. We graph 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And edge 1, 3, 3, 1, 5, 7. No online. Kullu iktabar offline, Mohammed. Don't make confuse. Your exam is offline. Lazim iji fi kuliya. Okay, and I send inshallah Leo manta room ada inshallah. Okay, remind me today. I will send you the room also. Which room you have to go for Ektabar. Okay, so this is the representation of the graph. Then path, tariq. A, B, C, D. Tariq from A to B, we say this is AB tariq, BC tariq. Cycle, cycle means close, connected, you can say also sometimes. Okay. Complete graph. A graph is said to be a complete graph if from every node we can go other node. From any node we can go directly other node. This is called complete. Example is mojud here. Show for the example. From A, Shubtullah, from A you can go to B directly. Hada tariq. From A I can go direct to D. From A I can go direct to C. Same, from B I can go A. From B I can go to C. From B I can go to D. From B, okay, from D also I can go to A. I can go to B. I can go to C. From every node you can go. Same here. From J you can go to K. This is N. This is M. This is N. Direct. From L also you can go to J, M, M, N. Means from every node you can go directly. Faham? From every node. Now, one more thing here. Now, number of nodes. Yeah, this is the example which I am showing you. Other example. Now, number of nodes. If the graph is the directed graph, then it will be n into n minus 1. Okay, if the graph is directed. If not directed, then n into n minus 1 by 2. Now, kaf tarika hai n into n minus 1, 2. I will show you. Don't worry. I will just share the link. Wait. Okay. See, somebody is asking about example. See example. Suppose any graph is there. Any graph. For example, this A, B, C. Okay, A to B, B to C. Other connected graph, other complete graph. Tulab, other complete graph. Kalam, other complete. What do you say? Yes, bola no, no. Everybody saying no. Correct. Because from every node I cannot go to every node. And see how many node here? 1, 2, 3. So total number of node if it is directed graph is n into n minus 1. N is the number of node. How many node? Wahid, itnain, talata. Talata into talata minus wahid. Kam hada? Talata into itnain. Hada kam? Sitta. Lazim you make sitta edge. Then this graph will become complete graph. Kaif tarika? Sure. One I make here. A to C. Come on, the Y itne talata. Okay. Then I will make one here. C to A. Then I will make from here B to A. Then I will make from C to B. Come kullo. Y itne talata arba khamsa sitta. Now you can. Now this is complete wala maafi. Check. Ada complete wala maafi. Okay. Good. Good. Now you see the number of nodes here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see from here also. The calculation is 6. If graph is undirected, for example, the same graph on a take but other undirected, means maafi tariq. Then come note kullo anakalam n into n minus 1 by 2. Lazim anta remember other formula. Okay, 5. Sorry, 3. 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2. That becomes 3 into 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 by 2, 2 to cancel. Come kulo talata h. Anta ibga talata h. But hina kam mojud. Why is then? If I make one this only. A, B, C. Okay, kalam hada complete wala maafi. Wala complete wala maafi. We complete. Okay, good. Okay, so this is farm. This is complete. No problem. Wala farm. Okay,
Just with the
good.
farm.
Okay, good. Let's move. So we study now. One, two. One minute, I'm just taking again there. That's a problem. When you come here again, you have to remove and come back here. I teach you graph first, yeah. Okay, graph first and then hashing. Okay, no problem. So we finish up to here. Now, here is very important thing, the weighted graph. Now, weighted graph means when I say you write any number here, then this is called weighted graph. Weighted graph. Okay, weighted graph. Now, kullu definition मौजूद है ना अंत लाजिम kullu study one by one definition kullu. See all definition. Okay, study this. What is graph? What is vertex? Undirected graph? Weighted graph? We already explained you everything, but you just see the definition. Okay. Okay, implementation of graph. If you see this tahat the implementation, there are two methods. Okay, one is called adjacent matrix, and one is called adjacent linked list. No, sorry, in your book there is a adjacent matrix and adjacent linked list. Yes, two methods. You have two methods. One is adjacent matrix, and one is this is adjacent matrix. I'm taking very small example and I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay, I will take very small example and show you how. After that, this is the one method I will explain. Don't worry. This is the one matrix. Okay, this is one method, and one more method is linked list implementation. This one. See, other. One is this one, and one is that one. These two method you have to remember. Okay, if in the exam it comes, you have to make. I will write like question. Don't worry. Okay. Then after that, what we have BFS and DFS. I think. Okay. What is this? Okay, let me check what is there. BFS and DFS. BFS, DFS, I think nobody is taking this one as a serious. BFS. This is the algorithm. You have to remember this algorithm. Okay. Okay, let me show you the sawal first in the graph. Okay. So just I took it from there. Okay, see this. Now I'm going to write for you. Lazim anta faham. I will make two questions for you. Lazim faham. Sawal. Find the adjacent matrix okay adjacent matrix and adjacent list representation of the following graph. Okay, following graph. graph. I will make graph for you. A. I will give you two questions. C, D, E. Take a small question, okay, not big. And what I am going to do here, I put some direction also to make it easy for you. Okay, Tulab? A to B 200, A to C 300, C to D 500, okay, and B to E 500, 400. This is 100 and this is 50. Okay, other graph given, other given सवाल मौजूद in the, okay, other सवाल मौजूद, no problem. So सवाल फहम, तलाब सवाल फहम, solution now. First, I will find adjacent matrix for this. So what you do before that, you put some number. Start from A. A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, E is 4. Okay, when the sawal come, you can start by this. A, B, C, D in tartib. Okay, lazim in tartib you put this. Okay, no problem. First, I have to make in the matrix method. So matrix method, what you do? What I say, do like this, no problem. How many node? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So make 5 row, 5 column. Khamsa row, khamsa column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? No problem. Why I make 0 to 4? But because the maximum is 4. So I take 0 to 4. Now, 0 to 0. 0 to 0 means A to A. A to A is 0. Nothing. A 0 to 1. What is 0 to 1? 0 to 1 means B. That is 200. So, Uktubina. 0 to 2. Where is 2 here? C. 300. Only take alatul. Mafi keda keda. 0 to 3. 0 where? Here. Mafi alatul path. So, this is 0. 0 to 4. Mafi alatul path. This is also 0. Now 1 to 0, 1 to 0, maafi any path, uktub 0. 1 to 1, 1 to 1, no path here, 0. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, where is 2? Here, maafi direct path, 0. 1 to 3, hina path mawjud, kam ada, khamseen. If hina maafi mawjud khamseen, arba miya, itnain miya, khamsa miya, then you anta uktub tariq mawjud, uktub wahid. Maafi tariq mawjud, uktub 0. Only other fark. Okay, if maafi mawjud, wait. 1 to 4, 1 to 4 hada arba miya. Okay, hada adjacent matrix. Hada kalam adjacent matrix. Okay, lazim hada awwal sawal bas. Hada bagi adjacent list hada bagi. Okay, I will tell. Then 2 to 0, 2 to 0 maafi mawjud 0. 2 to 1 maafi. 2 to 3 500. 2 to 4 maafi. 2 to 5, sorry, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is 500. Sorry, 2 to 2 is 0. This is 0 and this is 500. And 2 to 4, 0. 3 to 0, 0. 3 to 1, 3 to 1, 0. 3 to 2, 0. 3 to 4, 3 to 3, 0. 3 to 4,
2
Mia.
to 0, 300.
2 to 300, 2 to 3
2,
is
2,
5.
0.
2 to 0 is, la la, ada maafi tariq. Tariq ada A to C. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Next. 4. 4 to 0. 4 to 0. 4 to 0 maafi 0. 4 to 1 maafi. 4 to 3 maafi. From 4 we cannot go anywhere. So lazim kullo 0. Hada answer. Faham Abdullah? Faham everybody? Okay, good. Now jawab this. Adjacent list representation. Good. Okay, now I will show you adjacent list, because there was two questions. Adjacent list representation. If you make adjacent matrix, it is very easy. Kaf. Awal anta make all name like this. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3, and E is 4. Okay, and you can make like this, one dot. Okay, now start. From this you can make directly also, no problem, but I can see. From A you can go where? You can go to B, and you can go to B only. Any other way you can go, or C, sorry. B and C. So A I will go to B. B means where? Here. B number is what? B is 1. So I can go to 1, and 1 is how much? 2. Next. And I can go to 2, that is 3. Okay? I think no need for this. Why I'm taking? You can take directly also. And you can make this blank also, null, like this. Okay? Next, from B, I can go to E, I can go to D. So I will go to E means 4. 4 means 400. And after that, I can go to D, that is 50. Sorry, 50 means 3, and that is 50. Okay, and then other you can close this, because after that we have to not go anywhere. From C, I can go to D only. D means 3. 3 means 5. Okay, and then you can close this. And then from D I can go to only E, that is 100, and that is 4. Close this. And E I cannot go anywhere, so no need to write anything. Bas ada adjacent list. Easy ada. Kalam. Easy. And if you see, the answer is same like this. Here is 200, 300, and here is 50, 400. You can see 50 and 400. And here is 500, here is 500, here is 100, here is 100. Same thing. Okay, now same sawal. Tolab, same sawal. But ana kalam hina bus, hina why change? Lazim anta faham. Because in the exam you come daktura the mafi number mawjood hina. Walla ma mushkila number mafi mawjood. If hina mafi mawjood number, for example, check mafi mawjood any number. Ada mafi weighted matrix. Okay, this is not a weighted matrix. So what you do? Where is a number uktu wahid bas, because A to B tariq mawjood, uktu wahid. Okay, 0 to 2 tariq mawjood, yes mawjood है ना, uktu wahid. बस आधा आंसर. Same here, 1 to 3 tariq mawjood, uktu wahid. 1 to 4 tariq mawjood, yes wahid. Okay. Next, 2 to 3 tariq mawjood, uktu wahid. 3 to 4 tariq mawjood, 3 to 4 tariq mawjood here, yes why. What's the answer? Only other fark. And same fark here. In this, what you have to do in this sawal means adjacent, you only do, just don't write the 200. Okay, maafi uktub 200 bus. Okay, let me remove this, stop this one. Okay, what you do here, maafi uktub 200, delete 200. Okay, only write 1 and then connect this one, 2, and last is null. Here also don't write any number, don't write any number bus. Okay, Don't write any number. Don't write. बस खलास answer. Okay, easy. चलो easy आता. Good. Now after that there is one more thing is BFS and DFS. Wallah, I explained many times. I don't know how you not remember this. B, BFS and DFS. Okay. Now what we use in the BFS and DFS? Lazim anta remember awwal. In the BFS we use Q and in the DFS we use stack. Okay, كيف أنت remember BFS and DFS. Okay, uktub like this. B is awwal and D is baden. English tartib aada. Okay, B is awwal in English and D is baden. Okay, now in the BFS Q is awwal and Q. Okay, and DFS stack is awwal. Stack is baden. You can see B awwal, Q awwal, D baden, S baden. Like this, remember. Don't forget. B awwal, Q awwal, D baden, S baden. Sometimes a student forget BFS ada uktub stack, DFS ada uktub Q. Faham? So هذا الطريقة أنت remember BFS, Q, DFS, stack. Now graph given كيف طريقة أنت find BFS and DFS. كيف طريقة أنت find BFS and DFS. So for example I put like a سؤال. Find the BFS and DFS for the following graph. Other graph. Any graph you can take. Okay, suppose this is graph and now to here number A. They can write A, B, C, or they can write number, no problem. Okay, suppose this is the graph. Now, kaf tarika we can find the BFS and DFS. So, awwal ana uktub BFS. BFS I need Q. So you have to make one Q. Maybe I'm not making line very clear. I will make a good one. Okay, like this. Okay. BFS we use Q. What is the first here? We can start from A because A is awal in the letter. So BFS first is A. Next, so A is in the Q. From A, what is rule here? Q first in, first out. Awal EG awal row. Awal EG awal row. So lazim we should use the same concept. A. But then A, I can go to B, I can go to D, I can go to E because this is the undirected graph, no problem. But in English order, B comes awal, D comes baden, E comes baden. So I take B, D, and E. And uktubina B, D, E. Okay? Now A is khalas because A khalas means what? Kullo adjacent, kullo neighbor khalas. So you can remove A from the Q. Remove. Next is node is B. Check B. B adjacent is A, already khalas. Remove B. Next node is D. D adjacent is G and A. A is already finished. You can see here A. So bagi G, uktub G hina. And uktub G hina. Okay? Now D is finished. Yeah, D is finished. Remove D. Baden D is E. E adjacent is F and A. A is already finished. You can see bagi F. So uktub F hina. Okay? Remove E now. Sorry, and uktub F hina also. Yes. Now come to G. G adjacent is D, F, and H. D is khalas, F is khalas, bagi H. Uktub H hina also. Again, G is finished, so remove G. Next is F. F adjacent is E and G. Finish. E and G. Finish. Oh, sorry. What I did. Okay. F adjacent is E and G. F is also finished. H. H adjacent is G, so H is also finished. A B D E G F H. هذا BFS. يا طلاب فهم ليش كلام؟ هذا answer A B D E F G H. I already explained you this thing. If you can just check the video again in the detail. Okay, next thing, if I want to find DFS, so I tell you, if we want to find DFS, we need Q. So for Q I need one stack. I will put like a stack first. Okay, again first node is A, because in English order A comes over. So in the stack is first is A. And what is the rule in the stack? Last in, first out. What is last in here? A. So lazim A adjacent should be finished. A adjacent is B, so I will go directly to B. After A, I will be in the B. Now check the B adjacent. B adjacent, walla maafi anything. So B is removed. Class B. Now come to A. A adjacent is B finished. Bagi now D and E. In English order, D comes awal before E, so I will go to D. And anaktubina D. Now from D again, last in first out. Last is what? D. So lazim awal finish. D adjacent is G. So I will take now G. G is here. Okay. Now D is also finished. Remove D. Now node is G. G is akhir. Okay. Why I'm taking D adjacent? D not delete. D is just keep here. Okay. D keep here. Now G. G adjacent is D, H, and F. D is already finished. Okay. So bagi F and H. In English order, F comes awal before H. So I will take F. F in the stack now. Last in first out. What is last in? F. So lazim F check. F adjacent is E and G. E and G. E is bagi uktu B. Okay. F is finished now. So F you can remove. Now next is G. Okay. F adjacent is E. Finish. La, 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 la. Anything bagi? Walla bagi. It's but 1 minute. Now A to B, B to G adjacent is F and H and D. D is already finished, so I take F. Okay, no. F adjacent is E. E is already finished. No need to check E. So F is finished now. Remove F. Take G. G adjacent is D, F, and H. D is finished. F is finished. Bagi H. So uktub now H. H in. H adjacent is G. H is already finished. Remove H. G finished. D adjacent is G. That is also finished. A adjacent is already finished. You can see this is our answer. A, B, D, G, F, E, H. This is our answer. Faham? Lazim practice atulab. Okay, lazim practice. Now we will go to the last chapter. That is very important. Also hashing. That is chapter number 6, I guess. So I will teach you just chapter number 6 also. Lazim anta bring your calculator. If you want to use calculator, walla anakala marra dani. If you want to use calculator, what you say in Arabic, hisabayat. What you say in Arabic, I don't know. Lazim bring. Walla if you not bring, they will not allow to use you. كيف طريقة أنت find أنت معلوم في موبايل طلاب أنت معلوم ولا ما في؟ Okay. No, ما في موبايل هذا calculator لازم. If not معلوم كلام أنا I will send you one video. You can check. I tell you what to find. Wait. Okay. Wait. Let me show you the chapter first. Just we will wait for Salah for a minute. Okay. Why dagiga bas? Okay, this is our last chapter, that is hashing. Hashing, I tell you what I was telling you, how to find the modulo, like 20 modulo talata. Come. 20 mod 3 कम 20 mod 3 कम anybody 20 mod कम 20 mod 3 कम इतना है good because when you divide 20 by 3 आधा रो 6 मर्रा कम बागी है ना 2 आधा आंसर. Okay, so lazim, if you want to study hashing lazim, so bring your calculator, lazim your calculator, maafi mobile calculator. If you not bring calculator, well, nobody will allow you. Okay, so lazim bring calculator. Okay, let's start. So in the hashing, what we have to study generally? Okay, the definition of the hashing. Hashing involves determine array indirectly or directly from the key to entry being stored. Access hashing. See what we do in the hashing, because I cannot go in detail, that we can do the searching in order one time. Order one time. Remember this. And there is one more thing in the hashing. What we can do, we can insert the element in the table. We can insert the element in the table. You can see other number other insert in the table one by one. Okay, then there is a problem called collision. Collision means one item, suppose there is any table, suppose this is the direction, here there are more than one element coming, means itne talata element coming hina, hada kalam collision. One point many number want to come here, that is called collision. Okay, I will explain you there, don't worry. Then there are some methods. One is called linear proving, that is very important for exam also. Linear proving lazim anta study this. Kaf tarika number you put insert in the table. Okay, I will tell you like question, don't worry. I think I give you some question also, whether you did or not. I give in the assignment also, check that question also. Okay, and there is one more method that is here in the your is quadratic proving. Quadratic proving, this method. So these are the things we are here. See this one quadratic, which I was telling to you. How the quadratic. Okay, so you have to study this one. And then one more thing important, that is chaining. I will explain, don't worry, one by one. Bucket and chaining. Hada method. Wallah lazim anta remember hada method. If you not remember, wallah mushkil hada. Okay. Bucket or chaining. If you do like this, wallah hada easy for you. You make chain. Bas hada you have to remember. And then this hash function. Okay. This hash function. Tarif hada hash function. Okay. So now I'm going to take to the whiteboard and I will show you like question how we can do. Okay, so let's move there. After this, the student who not give sawal jawab bagi other lab other exam, they can give the exam. Okay, they can ask, they can have their sawal jawab. Okay, اليوم هذا آخر وقت بعدين أنا ما في take. Okay, كله finish بعدين because I don't have time now, because your Sunday you have exam, so we have no time. Okay, I'm just removing. I'm going to write the question. Okay, first I will explain a little bit you. I tell you that there is an insertion. We can insert the numbers in the table. Okay, like for one question, I take a small one. Insert the following number in the hash table okay, 20, 10, 30, 40, 5, 6 and 7 for example. Okay, now anybody tell me what is the hash function here? Hi equal to I modulo come. Kalamatullah, come. I tell you, if you remember that time, what you do if not given hada hash function, hada kalam hash function. Hash function. Okay, let me check. I modulo saba. Very good. Very good. Why saba? Because we count here the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. So here is 7. If not given, if given in the exam, you can use directly. If not given, then you will do like this. Now, we need to make 7 space. 7 space means start from 0. Lazim 0. Don't, some students start from 1. Wallah the galat. Okay, start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why 6? Why not 7? Because if you take from 0 to 7, it will be 8 space, not 7. So 0 to 6 means that is 7 space. You can count here. Why ithnain talata arba khamsa sitta saba. Okay? No problem? Tulab kalam, no problem? Okay, let's start. Awwal ashrin. Ashrin modulo saba. Kam ada? Ashrin modulo saba kam? Let me check. Sitta. Very good. So in the sitta you will write ashrin. Next ashara. H ashara. Ashara modulo saba. Kam ada? Talata? Talata. So ashara hina. Talatin. Talatin modulo saba. Kam ada? Itnen? Itnen ada. Talatin. Next arbain. Arbain modulo saba. Kam ada? Let me check what you write. Khamsa. Very good. Khamsa. So arbain in the khamsa. Next khamsa. Khamsa modulo saba. Kam? Khamsa. Wallah. And you see, when you write khamsa, this is called collision. Why collision? Why? Because khamsa is already arbain mawjood. So what do you do in this time? We can solve the problem using probing, linear probing. Remember? Ana kalam linear probing. So in the exam it is given also, inshallah. Use linear probing. So what you do in the linear probing? You will take 5 plus 1 modulo saba. That is sitta. Sitta fadi? Maafi fadi. Wallahi mushkil ada. Again collision. So what you do? 6 plus wide modulo saba. Kam ada? 0? 6 plus wide come. Badan 6, you go here 0. Okay. So now 5 is in the 0 position. Next number. Sitta. H sitta. Sitta modulo saba. Kam ada? 6. 6 fadi la. Wallahi mushkila. Again 6 plus 1 modulo saba means 0. 0 maafi mushkila. Mushkila again. Collision. 0 plus 1 modulo saba. That is wahid. So wahid is sitta. Akhir saba. Saba, H saba, saba modulo saba. Kam ada? 0. So 0 is maafi fadi, 1 is maafi fadi, 2 is maafi fadi, 3 is maafi fadi. So akhir element it will become. Tola faham? Hada linear probing. So if in the exam ask linear, any collision come, you will do like this. Faham? Tola faham ada? Okay. So what I was about to tell you, I will tell you again this one. How we can solve the problem of collision. Collision resolution technique. Collision resolution technique. One is called open addressing. I already explained this one, if you see in the recordings. And one is called close addressing. In open addressing, there are 3 methods. Linear probing means go to the next, plus 1. Then there is one method is called quadratic probing. In quadratic probing, we do plus 1 square, plus 2 square, plus 3 square. And here we do plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Means every time I add wahid, okay, like this. Now, and one more is called double hashing or double proving. I will not explain this one because this is not in your course, and I'm going to explain this. Okay. Then close. In the close, we have to study only one, that is called bucket, or sometimes they say chaining also. Bucket or chaining, very important, bucket or chaining. So, and remember linear. So, any problem come in the collision, we can solve using linear, quadratic, double or bucket. Okay. So now again, I will take one question, I will solve for you, and I will show you how we can solve the problem also. So let me show you the question now. I will take a very small question, I will show you. Practice 7 and practice 11 also. Question. Insert the following number. This is the last question I'm going to tell you. Insert the following data in the hash table and solve the collision problem using linear probing and chaining. Quadratic you will do, okay, plus 1 plus 2 square, and bucket or chaining. Bucket or chaining, you can do the same, no problem. Okay. So I take one question. The number are 10, 20, 15. I need some 3 here. So 3 I will take 31, and then I will take 3 again, 73, and 20 means here 6 or 1. 1 is here means 29. How many number? No, not number. Eh? And I can take one more number here. 28. 20 means 14. One I'm taking 16, or I can take 65 for example. These 7 numbers. Okay. So my hash function is hi equal to I modulo saba, because there is a saba number. So I will solve this one using linear. Okay. So make this one. Ana jawab ada linear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If number is 11, then you will always start from 0 and it will go up to 10. Okay, don't worry. Awalana jawab ada linear. Okay, so H10. 10 modulo saba. Come ada talata. So 10 will be in the talata position. No problem here, collision. Okay, next Ashrin. Ashrin modulo saba, that is also 6. Okay, I'm not waiting for you, I'm doing the Ashrin. Next is Khamastashar, H15. 15 modulo saba, hada wahid, I think. Yes, wahida the fadi, oktubina Khamastash. Next, wahid Ashrin. Kamada, talata, 7 for the 28 means 3. And you see 3 is a collision, oktubinta collision, and see this is we have to do from linear. So what I do, I have to take one add 3 plus 1 modulo saba, that is arba. Arba modulo saba, that means arba. Arba fadi, yeah, fadi. Oktub 31, no problem. Next, 73. 73 modulo arb saba. Again other talata. And talata again collision. So what I say, 3 plus 1 modulo saba, that is arba. Arba also collision, then arba plus wahid modulo saba, that is khamsa. Khamsa fadi, yes. Uktubina 73. No problem. Okay. Next, 29. 29 modulo saba, that becomes wahid. Wahid has a collision, so 1 plus 1 modulo saba. That is 2. 2 fadi, yes. Uktubina. Last one, khamsa 16. That is also 2. 2 means collision. So collision means go to 3, go to 4, go to 5, go to 6, go to again 0. So 2 will be. Okay, Tulab, faham ada? Faham? Okay, now same sawal how I can do from bucket or chaining. Bucket or chaining if sawal comes. What you do, you make like array like this. Same I will make 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is 6. Okay, I give 6 number. Now what you do, awal anta do like this lazim anta. Okay, only mafi means hada calculate like linear, only just calculate. H10 is come talata. So what you do, make here talata. Okay, what I'm doing, sorry, why is wrong? Okay, now our number is what? H10. H10 is where? 3. So you write here 10. Okay, next number H Ashrin. Ashrin means Sitta. Uktubina Sitta. Ashrin. Next element Khamasta Ashkam Wahid. Uktu Wahid. Okay, next Why do Ashrin come ada? Talata. Okay, so what you do, don't do next plus 1. You just make attach here. Why do Ashrin? Like this. Okay. Next 31. Baden 73. S73 come ada talata. Again just add 73. And okay. Next number 29. 29 here. Wahid. Wahid. So uktubina wahid. No need to go next. Just alatul make ada chain. Okay. Next one 65. Where 65 ada? 65 modulo come ada. Itnen here. Bas. And what is akhir? Just close. Null. Close. Bas hada answer. Bucket chaining. Shuf hada easy. Tolar easy hada. Kalam. Easy. Okay, good. Yes, like links. Yeah, this is link list, like link list. So this is only to have to study. Now wallah anta study kullo. Any problem come, inshallah, send me a message in the WhatsApp. Inshallah na jawab. Okay. And inshallah I will send you the room list also. Don't worry. I will send you the room list. And after some time, I will send you the recording link also. Don't worry. Okay. Now Tulab. Who Tulab are the Bagi Sawal Jawab can tell me now. Tulab Bagi Sawal Jawab. Kalam. Now all the best for you. Okay. Wait, I will bring my file. I will see in the file. Dagiga. Yeah, this question is type long answer. Yeah, obvious long answer. Okay, Tulab. Awal, who is Awal? Kalam. Who sent the message Awal? Sawal Jawab, Ada Mamal. And the name and the group. Who's Bagi? Yeah. Okay, yeah, Shazri. Which group anta? Talata itnain arba wahid wala talata itnain khamsa talata? Yeah. Yeah, Suleiman Shazri, huh? 315.
Yes, 315.
Okay. Okay. Your group is 3. I need to check it. This is Hussein. Hussein is 3241. 3253. Okay. Okay, let me check your what is in your lab first. One minute. Where I put your assignments? Wallahi mushkil aa gaya. Where is your assignment? I put. Wait. Assignment. Lab assignment 3 to lab exam. Okay. 3242 and your is okay. Other student who don't have anything, they can leave. Okay, they can leave. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Your number is 2. Okay. Write a program in Java to create an empty heap. Okay. Heap. अंत फिर heap आता है.
Yes. Hip.
Okay. Now you can see the screen. Okay.
Yes,
20,
I see.
10, 30. 5. هذا heap ولا ما في؟ هذا heap.
Yes, hip. Yes, Dr. Hip.
هذا complete tree ولا ما في؟ هذا complete ولا ما في؟
Completely what?
هذا complete tree ولا ما في؟ هذا complete tree.
No.
أنت كلام heap. then أنت كلام هذا ما في heap. complete كيف هذا؟ if هذا ما في complete هذا ما في معلوم أنت؟ ما في complete ما في.
Yes, Dr. Hip. Hip and completely.
Okay, you can leave. बस. Yeah,
Thank
Tulab
you.
Tani. Okay, Tulab Tani. Kalam. Who is next? Tulab, Kalam. Anybody bagi ada mamal ada sawal jawab. Kalam. Kalam mamal sawal jawab bagi kalam. Kalam hai Tulab. Any Tulab sawal jawab bagi kalam. Kadir ada nafar bagi. I can tell you the name. Who is this? Khalid. Abdul Razzaq. Abdul Razzaq anta sawal jawab bagi. Wala anta jeep sawal jawab anta darjat ada increase maybe. Why you are not giving? Aise mushkil ada. Kalam hai Tulab. Any Tulab, somebody please send the message in Arabic. Maybe the student not understand. Send the message in the Arabic in the group that Dr. Kalam ada sawal jawab bagi. If on the khamsa darjat lazim ada sawal jawab bagi. So just attain the sawal jawab. Maybe your number increase more. Kalam. Maafi bagi nafar kullu. Okay, if you not want to talk, what I can do? I cannot help you. If you not help yourself, I cannot help you. Kalam. Okay. Okay, I will stop it.